फायर आणि इमर्जन्सी सर्व्हिसेस संचालनालयाची वर्सुकी इन्स्पेक्शन डे परेड शेनवारा सकाळी जाली. मुखेल सचिव केवल शर्मा कार्यावळीक मुखेल सोयरे आशिल्ले. कार्यावळी वेळार जवानांनी परेड, संकश्टात सांपडिल्ल्यांक कशें वाचोवप, उजो पालोवपाची प्रात्यक्षिकां आनी हेर ड्रील सादर केले. बरेपैकी कामगिरी केल्ल्या जवानांक इनामां भेटोवन तांचो भोवमान केलो.
You provide a very valuable service to the society. At the risk of your life sometimes, families worry about you, but when there is a fire, you are the first one to respond to the situation. Very high buildings, congested areas, too many houses around, and it calls for higher level of skills to be able to deal with emergencies and do your work in the best possible manner.
मुंबय हायकोर्टाचो न्यायाधीश न्यायमूर्ती उत्कर्ष बाकरेन शेनवारा पर्यायी कागाळ निवारण केंद्राचें मडगांव उक्तावण केलें. वेगवेगळ्या कोर्टांनी पडून आशिल्ल्यो केसी सुटाव्यो करपा खातीर ह्या केंद्रांतल्यान यत्न जातले. देशांतल्या सगळ्या कोर्टांनी मेळून 4 कोटी केसी पडून आसात.
मडगांवां पर्यायी कागाळ निवारण केंद्राचें शेनवारा उक्तावण जालें.
cases pending throughout India, out of which about 40 lakhs are of check bouncing. It is the utmost need to put the alternate dispute redressal mechanism in place on account of the said areas are concerned.
पर्यायी कागाळ निवारण केंद्राक लागून कोर्टांतल्यो केसी कमी जातल्यो अशी आस्त दक्षिण गोंयची प्रधान सत्र न्यायाधीश नूतन सरदेसायान उक्तायल्या.
As litigation is concerned, everybody would like to try his luck in the higher court. In this set of circumstances, alternate dispute resolution is the ray of hope which looks all of us in the eye. We may not be so very positive about it as of now, but in course of time I am confident that it will help to eliminate the burden on the courts.
मडगांवच्यान सावियो डायस.
सेगीत 2 वर्सां GPL 2020 सर्त जिखपी धेंपो क्रिकेट क्लबाची हॅट्रिक करपाची मोख आसा. धेंपो ग्रुपाचो अध्यक्ष श्रीनिवास धेंपो आपल्या क्रिकेट पंगडाच्या आतामेरेनच्या कामगिरी बद्दल उत्साही आसा. GPL जर आनीक बरें जावपाक जाय जाल्यार ते शारांच्या नांवार टिमी करून चलोवचें अशें धेंपो म्हणटा. शेनवारा सांजे GPL सर्तीचें परवरी उक्तावण जालें.
This is a very crucial year for us because we've had 2 successive victories and I think we are very, very excited. My boys who run the team and the coach says that third time is always a lucky time, so we are all expecting to win. And of course the pressure is very high on winning because you know that there are new teams which are formed and everybody is going to rejuvenate and you can't take anything lightly, but our strong wish list and desire is that we should win this year. I personally believe in teamwork. I think all 4 years I think we have the same coach. That is number one. I personally believe that the coach has a lot to do with keeping the team together, motivating, getting in discipline, getting in commitment, hard work from the players. And this is the first year I think we are going to have a brand new team in the sense that none of the old players who played last year are continuing. And that makes it even more fun and exciting to see how the team will vibe together. But if you see the spirit, if the spirit is one and if everybody looks at not only winning but playing well together. And as you rightly said, it's either it's been reaching the finals or it's been winning. So that's been a great achievement. And I think we look forward to the same sort of philosophy continuing. I essentially tell them you play a good cricket game, be sincere to your job. Winning or losing is, there is a fair amount of luck also associated with it. But at the end of the day, when you play well and you give a tough fight, you really don't feel that bad that you would have felt even if you don't win. Then you felt when you play a very bad game and say, that makes you angry. And say, why the hell am I investing money? Why the hell am I doing this? But when you play a good game, and I always tell my players is that show your talent. And always, another thing is that work together. Rather than because cricket can be a very individual game if required, unlike football or any other game. It's a game where if you want to be extra selfish, you can be by demonstrating your batting or bowling, But I think our team has not done that for the last so many years that we've been. There are many cricket enthusiasts in Goa. which look forward to this particular league. And in some sense, they don't have any competition within the state anywhere else. There may be IPL which people watch on TV, and very few go actually make an effort to go and watch it on outside. But the fact remains that you have your own teams within the Goa League for the cricket, which makes it very exciting. And I would rather say that it would be even more exciting, the idea that I had thrown, that if you really make it a Vasco, Panji, Madgaon or Ponda or whatever it is, city-based, because we've seen that actually works a lot.
Ladies and gentlemen, the GPL 2020 trophy. These are the teams that are going to battle it out for the GPL 2015 trophy. Ladies and gentlemen, you need to motivate them. Put your hands together louder this time for the teams on stage.
इतल्यारे खबराची तर हांगाच सोंपता. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.